Hello there, it's Anna here. Welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I will show you how to make this tiny heart. It's a very easy pattern to make. It's no sewing required and you can make tons of them super fast. Okay, I use this heart to make the love bear. If you don't know the link, it's right here in the top corner. I use a 2mm crochet hook and 100% cotton yarn. You can use any materials you wish. And now let's start crocheting this heart. Alright, super good. We'll start here with a magic ring or a magic loop. You'll work 6 single crochet inside this magic ring. If you don't know how to make the magic ring, there is a link in the description below that will take you to a complete tutorial in step by step and very slow, in case this video is fast for you. Alright, now let's work here 6 single crochet. Alright, that's great. And pull it tight to close this magic ring. And now let's work our next round here, round number 2. You will work 6 increases. So you should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. Here, when I say increase, means you will work 2 single crochet inside 1 stitch. You see, here's 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and 1 more inside the same stitch. I will move fast forward here because it's 6 repetitions. And I will double secure the beginning of the tail just to make sure that this magic ring will not open. Alright? Great, so now here I had my a piece of different color yarn. This is what I use for a stitch marker. And here for round number 3, you will work 12 single crochet. Okay? Super good. So here's just 12 single crochet. Once you finish with this round, this is how it should be looking like. And what you're gonna make here is 2 of this detail. So 1 detail, this one you finished off, you see, and the second detail you don't cut the thread because we will work now, continue working here. So you'll grab 1 stitch of the finished detail you made and insert the loop of the needle inside this stitch. Okay, so let's pull it inside here. All right, and now we will work our next round. Okay, crocheting together these 2 pieces. So for round number 4, you will work 24 single crochet. That is because you have 12 single crochet of one piece and you will work 12 single crochet of the other one. So you have 24 in total. I will go slow here and show you the crocheting together the other side. So here you count 12 stitches, okay, on the first detail. Okay, once you finish 12, you see here, this is the first stitch, is where you insert the loop of the needle. You need to work 1 single crochet there, all right? And now again, you count 12 stitches. So 1 stitch is that one that you inserted in the loop of the needle, and 12 more and 12 in total for the piece. Okay, so you should have 24 stitches here. Count how many stitches you have, and this will help you much more. Just make sure you work 12 single crochet from one side and 12 single crochet of the other side. All right, so let me add here my stitch marker and move on for the next round. Okay, super good. So now here for round number 5, you will work again 24 single crochet. Okay, just make sure here to count how many stitches you have. It's very important that you have 24 stitches. Okay, this will just secure your heart. Just make sure that you work the 24 stitches. Super good. You see, we can start seeing some shape of a heart here forming. Alright, now let's add my stitch marker and move for round number 6. We'll start here decreasing this heart, okay? So you work 10 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 22 stitches at the end of this round. So here it's very simple now. We will work decreases all the way until the end of our heart. We will start decreasing 2 stitches in each round, alright? So I'll work the first repetition here with you. Alright, so here I arrive in my invisible decrease. Not yet. Okay, yes. Now it's my invisible decrease, so you grab just the front loop of the stitch of the next 2 stitches and you continue. So there is a link showing you how to make the invisible decrease in the description below, alright? Now for round number 7, you will work 9 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times and you should have 20 stitches at the end of the round, okay? So here again, as I mentioned to you, we will decrease 2 stitches by round all the way until the end of our heart, alright? So we have this nice shape of the heart. Okay, the written pattern is in the description below. If you have any questions, suggestions for me to improve how I shoot my patterns for you, please let me know. I am constantly learning and trying to figure it out how is the best to shoot video tutorials, video patterns for you, okay? Look at this, nice shape. I like the shape of this heart very much. Okay, so for next round, round number 8, you will work 8 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times and you should have 18 stitches at the end of the round. Count how many stitches you have. I cannot stress how important it is for you to count how many stitches you have, because in case you miss one stitch, you can just unravel that round and it's fast and it's easy, no drama. But if at the end of the round you figure out something is wrong, it's hard for you to find out what is wrong. Alright, so this is my first decrease and I will work the next one. And now we move on for round number 9, okay? So for round number 9, you will work 7 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 16 stitches at the end of this round. So starting to decrease, very nice here. We'll have 1 more decrease to reduce 2 stitches, and we will be, no, 2 rounds more, 2 rounds more. All right, so here is my decrease, the first one. Okay. That's super good. Work all the way around. This is how it should be looking like. Now let's move on for round number 10. You will work 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 14 stitches here at the end of this round. All right. This Crochet Hearts is so easy and fast to make. I made a couple of them just as a decor of my little one's room. It was looking very nice. I should take a picture of that. Okay, enough with the chit chat. Here is my first decrease. This is great. Now moving on for the next round. Here you will work 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 12 stitches at the end of the round. If you want to add stuffing material before this round 11, it's a good point because it starts to get smaller. So to insert the stuffing material later is a bit harder. So either you can add now or later, like I'm gonna do it here. Alright, so the first decrease is here. Okay. Super good. I will repeat one more. Now we have this shape of this heart. We'll start adding the stuffing material here before we move on for our next and final round before fastening this heart off. Okay, here you add as much stuffing material you want. I like to add a lot because I like it very firm, my crochet toys. Look at this, looks beautiful. That's great. Now let's work our last round here, round number 12. You will work 6 decreases, okay? So we'll end up with 6 stitches here. So just make one decrease after another here. So this is the first decrease. So let's work another one. And that's it. You continue working here until you made 6 repetitions, alright? So this is my third. And once you're done, you see you have only 6 stitches. It's very small. If you follow me here, you know that I like to finish my toys at 12 stitches. But in this case, because we want a tiny ending of this heart, I'm ending with 6 stitches, okay? So now to fasten this off, you grab only the front loop of the stitch, alright? Just the front loop here. Front loop. So 6 front loop of the stitches here you grab before fastening this heart off. Look at this is super good. Let's just hide this remaining tail and cut this. And ta-da! Look at this heart, how beautiful this is. I hope you enjoyed this pattern and I see you on the next time. Bye!